Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. You are looking at a 1971 Chevelle SS with factory air. Paint is in showroom condition. We'll go underneath it. Just want you to look at the paint. It's in great condition. We'll go underneath, as I mentioned, in a second and see the underneath. That looks great. Again, this car runs fantastic, sounds good. Everything works as it should. You can see it's got wrapped headers, dual exhaust on the way back, floor pans in great shape, solid, no rust, no rot, just as you'd want them to be. Again, very solid car, clean. If you're interested in the vehicle, please see our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com, or feel free to give us a call, 941-355-1955, for this 1971 Chevelle SS red. I'll let it down on the lift so you can see the inside. We'll get it started. You can see it's, as I mentioned, it does have AC. It's got factory power disc brakes, power steering, bucket seats. It's got a fatten leather bucket seat on the driver's side. New radials, new Crager SS wheels. It's in great shape. I'm going to put the camera down here while I let the car down. So sorry for the video for a few seconds while we let the car down on the lift here. We do offer financing, so if you need financing, please see our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. We are able to help you manage the shipping and do the shipping services for you worldwide, anywhere in the US, Canada. So far this month, we've shipped cars to Budapest, Hungary, Asia, Australia, Minnesota, Oregon, California, Virginia. So we're able to ship wherever you want, or you can pick it up at our lovely 58,000 square foot facility here in Sarasota, Florida. Our hours are 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, and on Saturday from 10 to 3. Alright, again, sorry for the camera while we let the lift down in the video. This 1971 Chevelle has a 383 stroker, putting out 400 horsepower. As I mentioned, you can see the air, power brakes, power steering. Very nice vehicle. Again, show you the paint now that it's on the ground. You can see the paint just shines. Great quality paint. Looks good. Got the black racing stripes. Again, in excellent condition. We'll let you, here's a piece of our showroom I was telling you about. 69 Chevelle 68 RS, 69 Z28, Jimmy back there. Alright, here's the fatten leather seat. Very comfortable, looks good, automatic. Back seat is in great shape, no tears. Alright, let's get in. Start this up and hear it run. Grab the keys. Again, as I mentioned, automatic. See the AM radio. Temperature gauge. Sorry, it's dark there. Fuel. Tach RPMs. Amperage. Let that warm up a little bit here. Again, it sounds fantastic. We'll go back and hear the exhaust. Engine runs great. And no knocks. You're not hearing any ticking. Runs as it should. Sounds great. Paint, as I mentioned, is in showroom quality. Again, if you're interested in this car, please call us at 941-355-1955 or visit our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota, for this 1971 Chevelle SS with a 383 stroker, 400 horsepower. Or if you have an interest in any one of our other vehicles, please give us a call or stop by our showroom. Thank you very much.